Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to pay USCIS immigrant fee online. If you're immigrating to the United States as a lawful permanent resident, you must pay the USCIS immigrant fee online, unless you meet one of the exemptions below. So first up, you will need to make sure that you have the latest web browser requirements. USCIS recommends downloading the latest version of Google Chrome. Once you do that, USCIS strongly recommends you to pay the USCIS immigrant fee after you've picked up your immigrant visa from the Department of State and before you depart to the United States. How to pay the fee? You must pay the fee online. The US Embassy or consulate will give you your A number, the letter A followed by 8 or 9 numbers, DOS case ID, instructions for paying the USCIS immigrant fee, immigrant data summary, and sealed immigrant visa packet. So you will need to go to the USCIS immigrant fee page right here. You can click that, and once you do that, you will be over here and you just need to fill out your particulars that I have mentioned before, such as your A number, DOS case ID, and click Save Entry and progress forward. If you can't find it, the website will guide you here, as you can see, where you can find your A number, and your DOS case ID. As for payment methods, to pay a fee, you can use a credit card, debit card, a prepaid debit card, and a US bank account, also known as automated clearing house payment. If you have any problem paying the USCIS immigration fee, you will need to go to the help page. I'll put all links down in the description. However, do note that if you do not pay the USCIS immigrant fee within the time listed in the notice, you will not receive your green card. If you do not pay the fee, it will not affect your status as a lawful permanent resident. However, you will only have evidence of your lawful permanent status for 1 year from the date of your admission, as shown by the temporary I-551 stamp CBP placed in your passport when you enter the United States. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.